Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro 16-inch, an ultra-portable powerhouse designed to give you the performance and screen quality you need for work and play. Is this the laptop that's going to make your busy day more productive and your downtime more immersive? Let's dive in and see if the specs live up to the promise. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro comes with a stunning 16-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X touchscreen display that boasts a 3K resolution, delivering a crisp 2880 by 800 resolution. This display is one of the standout features, offering deep blacks, vivid colors, and impressive brightness for both productivity and entertainment. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling, multitasking, and even light gaming are smooth and responsive. This is the kind of display you'd expect from a premium laptop, and it truly stands out for those who need both work and play in one device. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, a high-performance chip built with AI-enhanced Intel Arc graphics. The combination of this CPU and integrated graphics allows for smooth day-to-day tasks like web browsing, document editing, and video calls, while still offering some gaming potential and content creation capability for light to moderate workloads. The 1 TB of storage should be more than enough for most users, ensuring plenty of room for files, photos, and applications, with fast loading times thanks to the NVMe SSD. When it comes to memory, the 16 GB of RAM is perfect for multitasking and running demanding applications without a hitch. Whether you're juggling dozens of browser tabs or working on large spreadsheets, this laptop can handle it all without noticeable slowdowns. For those who do a lot of content creation, whether it's photo editing, video rendering, or music production, the generous amount of RAM, combined with the high-speed SSD, ensures smooth workflows. Now, what about battery life? Samsung claims up to 12 hours of use on the 16-inch model, thanks to the 76-watt-hour battery. Real-world usage will vary, but under moderate use, think web browsing, document editing, and media streaming, you can expect a solid 8 to 10 hours. Heavy tasks like video editing or gaming will naturally drain the battery faster, but the fast charging feature should get you back to 50% in just under an hour, making it easy to recharge between meetings or while on the go. At just 12.5mm thick and weighing in at 3.44 pounds, the Galaxy Book4 Pro is impressively slim and portable, ideal for students or business professionals who need a laptop that can easily slip into a bag. Despite its lightweight design, the build quality feels sturdy, with an aluminum chassis that gives it a premium, solid feel. However, for those looking for even more portability, the 14-inch model trims it down further, weighing just 2.71 pounds. The keyboard and trackpad are solid, offering decent key travel and responsive feedback for typing long documents. The layout is spacious with well-sized arrow keys and a fingerprint reader embedded in the power button for added security. The trackpad is smooth and accurate with good palm rejection, making it easy to use for extended sessions. When it comes to ports and connectivity, the Galaxy Book4 Pro doesn't disappoint. It includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB-A 3.2 port, an HDMI 2.0 port, a microSD card slot, and a headphone jack, ensuring you can connect all your peripherals, from external monitors to storage devices. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1 provide fast, reliable wireless connectivity for smooth video calls, file transfers, and streaming. Performance-wise, the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor offers impressive power, but let's dive into how this laptop handles gaming and heavier workloads. In terms of FPS, titles like Cyberpunk 2077 run at around 40 FPS at medium settings, while Call of Duty Warzone hovers around 60 FPS at 1080p with medium settings. This is not a gaming laptop, but it can certainly handle casual gaming without issue. The integrated Intel Arc graphics perform well for less demanding games and content creation tasks. The cooling system manages heat well, but expect the fan to ramp up during extended gaming sessions or heavy productivity tasks like video rendering. Under light use, the laptop stays cool and relatively quiet, but under load, fan noise becomes more noticeable. As for long-term performance, the Galaxy Book4 Pro stays stable for typical work tasks, but keep in mind that performance may dip during prolonged gaming or rendering tasks due to thermal throttling. If you're looking for something that can handle AAA gaming for hours at a time, this might not be your best choice, but for most everyday tasks, it performs admirably. Now let's talk about value for money. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro is priced in the premium category, but with its performance, display quality, and portability, it feels worth it, especially if you're after a high-quality, versatile machine for work and light entertainment. It holds up well against competitors like the MacBook Air and Dell XPS 15, though both offer slightly different strengths. The MacBook Air, for example, excels in battery life and performance stability, but lacks the high refresh rate display and port selection of the Galaxy Book4 Pro. The Dell XPS 15, while offering superior graphics performance, is a bit heavier and bulkier, making the Samsung a more portable option. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro 16-inch is a stellar choice for professionals, students, and creators who need a versatile laptop that can handle demanding work tasks while providing a great display and excellent portability. While it's not a dedicated gaming machine, it performs well in all areas that matter most to everyday users: speed, portability, display, and battery life. If you're in the market for a sleek, powerful Ultrabook with a gorgeous screen, this one's hard to beat. Thanks for watching. The link to get this laptop is in the comments box. Feel free to drop your questions or share your experience if you've already used it. Until next time, stay productive and keep exploring the world of tech with Reviews Inside TV.